this message is for you. Yes, this finding you is a synchronicity from your spirit guides. And I'm going to prove it to you by the information that I'm about to give you. It's going to resonate. You're going to get the goosebumps. You're going to feel that resonance, just that intense knowing that this really was meant for you. And you probably already feel it right now. So the first thing that I heard when I sat down to channel today's message was, let go of expectations and run with the wind. What does that mean? Okay, so I think some of you guys are trying to plan your life out too much. And Spirit's saying you cannot plan out your life from the limited perspective of where you're at right now. We know the full picture. We have the bird's eye view. You're the one going through the maze right now, and we're up here and we see the exit and the entrance and all the pathways of the maze. So we know where you need to be and when you need to be there. But you only know from your limited perspective of where you think you need to be. So if life isn't working out the way that you had planned, there is a bigger reason. Because if it was supposed to happen the way you had it planned, it would be happening. But the fact that it's not means that there's something else in store for you. It's in God's time. It's in divine timing. So let's pull some cards, because I know that with that, a lot of you guys have some questions. You need some clarity. Let's just split the deck in half. Wow, this is interesting. So we have the Knight of Cups, and then we have the Six of Wands with it. I feel like there's new energy coming into your life. Knights are about energy coming in, and Cups are about emotional fulfillment. And then we have the Six of Wands. Wands have to do with, my light just turned off. Wands have to do with energy, manifestation. So yes, I think that this is about to come into your life, and I do think that everything is about to change, okay? The 4th, I feel December 4th for some reason, so circle that on the calendar. Keep an eye out for December 4th. I think that there's going to be something very significant happening for you around that time, and it's new energy coming in, so whatever new feelings come around that time of the year, know that that's the spark of change. That's the first thing that's happening to kind of get the ball rolling on where you're meant to be. So with that being said, let me know if this resonates. Also, if you've been noticing my sweatshirt that I have on, I designed these myself. It's a tarot card. It says the sun. There's me with ghost and palm trees, all of the things that I really love mixed into one tarot card. So I have these in white and black. So if you're interested in getting a shirt, I also have t-shirts in white and black. Do it now. They're in the TikTok shop. But like I said, when they're gone, they're gone. I'm not going to get any more. So this is like a limited time thing. I have on a small. I love them. Also, it's not that sticky material, so it'll last. It won't peel on you. So anyways, go check that out, okay? I'll see you guys next time.